Welcome to my video. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying from, gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget you must see, and like always links to these gadgets will be in the description below. Cook like a pro with the Amazon Basics Nonstick 8-piece cookware set, designed for everyday meals and effortless cleanup. This complete kitchen set includes 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans with lids, and 1 casserole pan with lid, giving you everything you need to prepare delicious dishes for your family. Each pot and pan features a durable non-stick coating that ensures smooth food release and easy cleaning, while the lightweight aluminum body provides fast, even heat distribution. The comfortable soft touch handles stay cool during use, offering a secure and safe grip while cooking. This set is compatible with gas, electric, and glass stovetops, not induction, and is ideal for daily cooking. Cook smarter, not harder, with the Ganiza 27-piece non-stick cookware set, the ultimate all-in-one kitchen solution for home chefs, travelers, and RV cooking enthusiasts. This versatile pots and pans set features a detachable handle system, allowing you to switch seamlessly from stovetop to oven to dining table with ease. Crafted with non-toxic, PFOA-free non-stick coating, it ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every time. The Ganiza cookware set includes 27 essential pieces pots. Experience next-level convenience with the SENSARTE 17-piece non-stick cookware set designed for modern kitchens, small spaces, and on-the-go cooking. This detachable handle cookware set lets you cook, bake, and serve with just one click. The removable handle easily attaches and detaches from any pan, making it simple to move from stovetop to oven to dining table and even to the fridge for storage. With a durable, healthy non-stick coating that's 100% PFOA-free, SENSARTE ensures effortless cleanup. Transform your cooking experience with the CAROTE 19-piece non-stick cookware set, the ultimate combination of versatility, performance, and modern design. Engineered with detachable handles, this cookware set easily transitions from stovetop to oven to table to fridge, giving you full flexibility in the kitchen. The Astercook 21-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set, perfectly designed for modern homes, RVs, and compact kitchens. With its detachable handle system, this cookware effortlessly transforms from stovetop to oven to dining table to refrigerator, saving space while adding style and convenience. Each pot and pan features a durable ceramic non-stick coating that's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring healthy, toxin-free cooking and easy cleanup. Built with an induction-ready base. Thanks for watching.